What do you want?
I want to write my lesson.
Be quick. Haven't you finished? What do you want here again?
Oh, the wind blew it off.
Please yourself.
Thank you.
Hey, what a nice little teeth. Smile. Smile and see. Who did it for you?
My friend, but he won't do it for you. Please don't ask me to take you to him.
If you don't take me there, I will put you inside my pot.
All right, I will take you. But if anything goes wrong, don't blame me.
Oh, nothing goes wrong with Apple. I just want to enjoy my meal with a designer set of teeth. Let's go.
Ago!
Hey, Nyatri, where is the light? I asked you to bring me light.
Yes, I lighted the lantern several times, and each time the wind blew it off.
Ah, useless. Useless. Can't you put yourself to any use?
But you told me...
Shut your trap.
But what is the use of a lantern in broad daylight? What do you need a lantern for in the day?
Ah, who spoke like a the tiger? Oh, there you are. You asked that question. Well, you answered it yourself. We met earlier today, did we not?
Of course we did.
And some meat changed hands from mine to yours.
Yes, yes. Even as we talk, it is waiting to be eaten.
Oh, so he came all along to invite me. Can my friend Homenya come along?
Oh, you are both cordially invited, but not until you are finished doing my teeth, like how you've done Homenya trees.
No, never. I won't. Homenya, you see why I need a lantern in broad daylight? Even though it is daylight, people's minds are dark, and there is total darkness in their hearts. You stole my meat, and you want me to design your teeth for you, so that you can enjoy what you stole from me. No, never. I won't.
In that case, you must say forward to your friend.
Oh, please don't kill me. You don't let him squeeze the life out of me. Help, help.
Oh, Ekpon, can't you take the smallest of jokes? Let go of Homenya, and I'll design your teeth for you. I was only joking.
That was a stupid joke.
Yes, it was. But designing your teeth for you is not a small joke. Do you still want it?
Yes, I can bear pain. If Homenya can, I can.
Good. Homenya, let's get to work. Bring wood, bring rope. The tools are here already. But, Ekpon, designing your teeth for you is a very painful affair. So I have to tie you up so that you don't struggle to disturb my design.
Be fast about it. Bind me. My food is getting cold.
Ekpon, sit down. Ah, Ekpon, you are so stupid. Homenya, call all my children and go and bring the food and let's enjoy it right under his nose.
Grandpa, that day I was there.
Yes, we are listening.
Mi pleke to mi dogo agbanye do e. Agbanye do mi pleke to mi dogo agbanye do. Mi dogo la kremoji, mi dogo la shimoji, mi dogo etoto tu machotu, mi dogo etoto i machoyi, mi dogo mi pleke to mi dogo agbanye do e.
That's why the song stuck so much in your memory. So, Homanyatri and Ayi's children went to Akmon's house and brought all the food. They ate it right under Akmon's nose. They had a good feast and danced around Akmon.
Now, Akmon, Movito, listen and listen very carefully. Never try again to cheat Ayi, the master cheat.
Ayi, when I get out from these ropes, I will deal with you.
Shut up. Shut up before I get angry. Right now, I can decide to kill you for another feast. The only thing stopping